So welcome back everyone. So today we are going to look about 3 C's of a good relationship, or we can say 3 C's that can help you build a good relationship. So this depends on 3 things. So we are going to clarify all those things that can help us to build a better relationship. So now I have observed that there are 3 C's of maintaining a good relationship, that is certain, communication and closeness. So we can say certainty. Now what happens is, just suppose there are 2 people and they fought with each other. Now what happens is, so they started talking less. So what happens? Communication goes down. Now communication is going down, due to which their closeness will go down. So they used to sit on the same sofa, now they are sitting in different rooms. So what happens? Closeness went down. Now what happens is, they will start disagreeing on the things. So certainty will also go down. So now this is a circle where all these 3 are interrelated. So closeness, certainty, communication, they all are interrelated. Now just suppose of a good situation where they fought with each other. Now just suppose they are father and son. Now son thought, I need to be with my father, he is my father, I need to understand. So he went to him. Father was watching cricket, so he was on the television. So the child went to him and he said, wow, Virat is a good player. And father says the same. Now what happened? Certainty. So they are certain on the same thing. So certainty increased, due to which they started talking and communication went up. Now when communication went up, so they are talking, it means the closeness is also increased. So this is how 3 C's of a good relationship works. Whenever we are in any fight or anything, so we should not stop communicating. If we are stopping communicating, it means we are just maintaining a distance. We are going beyond the certainty. So we will not be agreeing on the same things. So this is how 3 C's of a good relationship looks like. Now whenever, just suppose you had a fight with someone, so what you will do, you will start disagreeing on the things. So certainty will go down, you will stop talking to the person, communication will go down, and alternatively closeness will go down. So at the end, the good relationship will suffer and relationship goodness will go down. So whenever you have a fight, don't stop communicating with someone. If you stop communicating with someone, your good relationship will turn into a bad relationship, or it might turn into bad relationship. So this needs to be taken care whenever you are sad, whenever you are in a fight, or whenever you are angry with someone. Don't stop communicating. So I'll give you an example. So what happened? There was one of my colleagues. So he was working as per his style. Now what happened? I had a choice with him. So I had one option. It was me. So I had one option, either to fight with him or creating a win-win situation. So we say it win-win situation. So I had created a win-win situation. I talked to the person. I said to him that this is the problem, and now the things are better. So what I did, I communicated, due to which we agreed on the same things, and due to which closeness is there. So we earned a good relationship. So that is how it works. So I hope this will help you a lot. So keep communicating with each other. We are the human being, we are the social animal. Our body is developed in such a manner that we need to communicate. So keep communicating, keep sharing, keep loving. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you.